Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Autodesk Maya, one of the most powerful 3D animation and modeling tools used in film, games, and VFX. If you're a beginner, don't worry, we'll go step by step and get you started quickly. Check your system requirements. Before downloading, make sure your computer meets these minimum specs. Windows 10, 1.1.6, 4-bit or macOS 11 Big Sur or later, at least 8 GB RAM, 16 GB recommended, a dedicated graphics card like Nvidia or AMD with DirectX 11 OpenGL support, around 10 GB of free disk space. Go to the official Autodesk website, open your browser, and go to autodesk.com. In the search bar, type Maya and click on the official Maya product page. Choose your license. Autodesk offers different options. Free trial, try Maya for 30 days. Education license, free for students and educators. Paid subscription, monthly or yearly plan. For beginners, I recommend starting with the free trial or education version if you qualify. Sign in or create an Autodesk account. Click download. You'll be asked to sign in or create a free Autodesk account. Fill in your details and verify your email. Download the installer. Select your operating system, Windows or Mac, version and language. Click download and wait for the installer, about 2-3 GB. Install Autodesk Maya. Go to your downloads folder and double-click the installer. Follow the setup wizard, accept the license, choose installation path, and click install. On Mac, drag the Maya app to your applications folder. Wait for the installation to complete. Launch Maya. After installation, open Maya. Sign in with your Autodesk account to activate your license. You'll now see the Maya interface with menus, timeline, and viewport ready for 3D modeling and animation. Tips for beginners: start with basic shapes before jumping into complex models. Explore the Maya Learning channel on YouTube for tutorials. Use the hotbox spacebar for faster navigation. Save your projects, often 3D files can get heavy. If your PC lags, reduce viewport settings under Preferences, Display. That's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Autodesk Maya for beginners. Now you can start your 3D journey with confidence. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.